Hi everyone, welcome to the Lotus Goddess Divine Love. Hope everyone's doing well. So I'm here at the park, just connecting with nature, with oneness, and I love sitting outdoors, and I'm just sitting here on the grass and this beautiful breeze and enjoying nature. And I would really suggest that if you like to connect with oneness, it's nice to first connect with nature and have this time to yourself to grow and to learn a lot about yourself, and connecting with self, connecting with nature, with oneness, with the earth, and paying attention to the little details that are in nature and God has created for us. It's such a beautiful, cool, windy day that I shared with all of you. Hope all of you are doing well. Oh, there's some beautiful flowers over here. Let's have a look. Hi everyone, welcome to the Lotus Goddess Divine Love. So today I'm amongst nature, and I thought I'd do a beautiful nature unique reading. So I have in here beautiful things that the divine has created, God has created for all of us to enjoy. So I'm using this to do my reading. I've already shuffled it in this. I'm gonna lay it flat on here and see where messages comes through. And just keep in mind that this is a general reading. So first thing I see here is that Divine Masculine, he is very close to letting go of a bondage that was holding him back for quite some time. He's recognized in order to build the life that he's always wanted for himself, he needs to let go of some sort of bondage. So this is like a bond to like an old way of living. It could be an energetic tie connection that he needs to release. He recognizes that it's not going to be easy for him to let go, but in order for him to create a new way of living, he needs to let go of... Whoa! This just fell here. I'm going to put this part of the reading. So in order for him to let go, he needs to focus on the good things that he wants for himself. Healthy way of living, the beauty within himself. So this is self-love. And also, if he wants to have a new way of living, a stronger foundation, a good life, he would have to break that bondage. So I see here that it's not going to be done right away. Like, it's not an easy step for him to take, but he will do it. And I see here that there are going to be different things that are coming in the Divine Masculine's path that's going to help him see things a little bit more clearly. I see here that Divine Masculine up ahead, he will have a new way of living, a stable foundation. It looks like a rebirth. This is going to be a foundation with a lot of love, a lot of happiness. And when he does reconnect with Divine Feminine, he will show the changes within himself and also the way he lives. So there's a lot of Divine Masculines who may have been different before when they were with Divine Feminine, but when they return, there will be something that's, I feel, I want to share with you this. That leaf grabbed my attention. Divine Masculine, he will be going down a new path that's going to take him and lead him into a better way of living, so a new lifestyle. And what I was mentioning about the changes in his life, it's going to be visible for the Divine Feminine to see. It will be obvious that there has been major changes that the Divine Masculine has made. And I see that there's going to be some sort of celebration up ahead. Divine Masculine is going to this celebration that's up ahead, it's something that the Divine Masculine will really plan out. He has really strong plans. It could be that he's planning a special kind of like get-together event, something that has to do with a number of people, and it's to celebrate his connection with Divine Feminine. So this is the reading for today. I hope you like this reading, and please remember to take the time to connect with Oneness, and it will help you actually during your spiritual growth and learning more about yourself. And I hope you like this reading. Take care, everyone. Have a great day. Bye. So I just finished the reading, and I noticed that the Divine also wanted to show us that the reading was over. The wind blew slightly and closed that Kleenex. So I thought I'd film a little bit being outdoors in nature. Doesn't these rocks remind you of Divine Masculine's obstacles? What a rocky path he's on. Divine Masculine needs to get down this path, make his way up this rocky hill. Will he make it through these obstacles? Will he find his way towards Divine Feminine? Oh, look at that beautiful reflection in the pond. Isn't that beautiful? I love the color blue because it reminds me of twin flames. That blue is gorgeous. That's the reflection of the sky. So while Divine Masculine is making down this rocky path, he doesn't see the pond up ahead, the beauty of Divine Feminine's love in that beautiful pond. While he's going through those rocky obstacles, Divine Feminine is standing in her power right over here. And as we stand in our power, Divine Masculine has to go through all these rocky lessons. But does he not see the bridge that will clearly take him down this clear path? But no, he chose this rocky path. Will Divine Masculine make it to that beautiful blue love pond? Will he? Will he? Dun dun dun. I want to share this beautiful pond with all of you guys, and this lovely waterfall. Just an overflow of emotions. Look at that pond sparkle, the water sparkle. Isn't that beautiful? It's like the emotions. Emotions need to flow. A lot of self-reflecting, but the beauty, the light will shine through. So I hope you liked my reading today, and take care, everyone. Be safe. Bye. This is my impression of Divine Masculine, fully awakened and running towards Divine Feminine. I'm coming, Divine Feminine. I'm coming. And the destiny, the flower garden. This butterfly. Time for transformation.